Hello everyone, today I am going to explain one of the CERT Java coding rule, that is EXP03J, which infers that do not use the equality operators when comparing values of boxed primitives. Firstly, let me tell about boxed primitives. Java basically has primitive types like int, short, float, etc. and reference types like string, collection, etc. Each of the primitive types also has an equivalent reference types like int has integer, long has long, and so on. These reference types are basically called the boxed primitives. Here in my example, I have used 4 integer reference types, that is I1, I2, I3 and I4 with some values assigned to them. In my non-compliant code example, I have used equal to and not equal to operators in an attempt to compare the values of integer object, that is I1 with I2 and I3 with I4. When I run the program, let me show you the result. Here it is. I1 equal to I2 for 100 and 100 values for I1 and I2, it is running true, which is right. I1 not equal to I2, it is returning false, this is again right. But for I3 and I4, equality and not equality, it is returning false and true respectively, which is wrong for I3 and I2 and I4 for the values 1000 and 1000 each. Basically, it is coming because the equality operator here is comparing object references rather than the object values. The fact for it is happening is that the reference comparisons and the value comparisons produce identical result for the subset of values that are memorized, but not for all the values. For this reason, some of the results it is producing as wrong. In my complete solution, I have used equals method in spite of the equal to and not equal to operator. Let me show you the result, what my compliant solution is producing. Here it is. It is returning I1, I2 equals and not equals value true and false for 100 and 100, and I3 and I4 equals and not equals for 1000 and 1000. It is returning true and false, which is very much right, which was producing wrong in this non-compliant code. It has been corrected now by my compliant solution. It is running as true and false. So here is though, why can't we use equality operators when comparing values of boxed primitives, which was depicted in rule number EXP03J. To learn more about this code and to learn more about the similar codes, we can visit the website www.securecoding.cert.org and we can learn much more about this code and many other. Thank you.